Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Friday, August 17th. We're going to be seeing a very hot and humid day out there today with some upper level cloudiness, but we are going to remain dry throughout today with rain really not arriving until tomorrow afternoon. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see a very warm day across the region yesterday with most locations reporting temperatures in the low 90s. The coolest spots still were close to 90 degrees. Ocean City was the cooler spot, still got up to 88 degrees. Lows this morning were a little bit of a mixed bag across the region. Areas with some calmer winds and more humidity did see those more mild lows this morning. Here at Wallops, we were a very muggy low of 77. Other locations across the region saw lows in the mid 70s. Ocean City was actually the cool spot. They were managed to get just below 70 degrees at 69 as some denser fog developed across the region up there. Taking a look at our observations from 9 a.m., we are seeing that a good warm-up already started across the region. Here at Wallops, we were the warmest location as of 9 a.m., already up to 85 degrees. Other locations seeing temperatures in the low to mid 80s under partly to mostly sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we do have that upper level ridging still dominating the upper level pattern this morning. That has led to some very light upper level winds, with winds running around 10 to 15 knots across much of the entire column from the southwest up to 6,000 feet, and then becoming a little bit more zonal from the west across the remainder of the column. Winds only at 17 knots at that 25,000 foot level, so some very calm upper level winds this morning, seeing a freezing level just above 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we are still having high pressure and control over the mid-Atlantic region with some upper level ridging, helping to give us some subsidence, preventing not too much low level clouds to develop, and no chance of rain at all today. We are going to be having a fronts slowly approach the area from the east as we go later today. That's going to help to compress the atmosphere a bit, giving us those very warm temperatures in the mid 90s across the region. We also seen those humidities up quite a bit compared to the previous couple of days, and so we have already seen those heat indexes this morning hit 100 degrees, and we do anticipate that to continue into early this afternoon before temperatures cool off as the southerly wind increases a bit across the region. We are going to be continuing to see those dry conditions today, with that front approaching, not really impacting the area weather-wise until tomorrow afternoon. So looking at our forecast charts for today, you can see that shortwave well off to the west of the region today, and it's going to slowly approach the region as we go into tonight. It does look like that shortwave is going to give pop off some showers and thunderstorms across northern portions of the Delmarva. It doesn't look like they're going to get too much farther south than the Delaware, Maryland line there. At the very most, here at Wallops, we will be remaining dry, only seeing around a 5 to perhaps 10% chance of a very stray isolated shower. So really not looking at any chances of rain as we go into tonight, as that shortwave passes to the north, as the energy remains north and west, and that main front stays well to the northwest of the region through tonight. As we go into tomorrow morning, it's going to be another very muggy morning. Those temperatures are really low temperatures, especially here at Wallops, are going to struggle to even get too much below 80 degrees as we go into tomorrow morning, due to that very humid air mass and some persistent southwesterly flow across the area. But then as we go into tomorrow afternoon, we will be seeing that system approach the region, and we'll get some more upper level energy moving across the area as well, and that is going to give us a much better chance of some showers and thunderstorms across much of the Delmarva tomorrow. Looks like we could be seeing a slight chance of a pop-up shower or storm anytime after about 2 p.m., but the best chances won't be until after 6 p.m. in the evening, as that main front and energy move over the region. As we go into Sunday, that front is going to sag towards extreme southern portions of the Delmarva. Still going to be seeing a good chance of some showers and thunderstorms, though, as that upper level trough does look like it's going to swing a pretty good piece of energy across the region. So it does look like that is going to be enough to give us pretty decent chances for some scattered to perhaps even numerous shower and thunderstorms on Sunday. Could happen anytime during the day on Sunday. won't be a total washout, as I still think we'll see some sunshine, but you can expect some storms in the area for your Saturday and Sunday. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, main hazard for today is going to be those dangerous heat indexes out there around 100 to 105 as we go towards the later morning hours and into the afternoon. Winds are going to be south-southwesterly at 7 to 12 knots through the rest of the morning hours, becoming southerly at 9 to 14 knots this afternoon with a high of 93 degrees expected. As we go into tonight, those winds will become south-southwesterly at 7 to 12 knots, and then turning southwesterly 8 to 13 knots by mid-morning Saturday with a very muggy low of 78 degrees. And you can see that we are going to be seeing that very slight chance of a stray isolated shower between 8 p.m. and midnight, but that looks very unlikely, only around a 5% chance at this time. Taking a look at a terminal forecast, going to be just mainly seeing that abundant upper-level cloudiness that we, very similar to what we saw yesterday across the region with those decks near 25,000 feet and 30,000 feet. And then as we go into later this afternoon, we'll see a mid-level deck creep in there around 15,000 feet. Could be seeing a couple fair weather cumulus around 3,500 feet pop up across the area late this afternoon also. As we go into tonight, tomorrow morning, just going to be seeing a few patchy lower-level clouds near 1,000 feet, and then still seeing those mid- and upper-level decks for tomorrow morning. Not too dissimilar from the cloud cover we have seen the last 2 mornings. Taking a look at the next couple of days here, tomorrow is going to be another hot and humid day with a high of 90 degrees. Those humidities are going to be up again across the area, so you can expect those heat indexes to be near or just exceeding 100 degrees tomorrow. And then as we go into the afternoon, we'll see those shower and thunderstorm chances increase as that front approaches the region. Could be seeing some brief heavy rain too near sunset with any stronger storms across the area. Saturday night still could be seeing some lingering showers and storms, especially before about 10 p.m. Those showers could linger much later too, but they will become rather isolated if any do occur after about midnight Saturday night. Still going to be seeing a muggy low of 77. Then Sunday, we're going to see that high become not quite as warm with a high of 86 as that front sags just south of the region. It's going to be mostly cloudy. We are going to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, like I said again, as we get some stronger upper level energy moving across the area. Taking a look at our extended outlook, today is going to be the hottest day in the next 7 days with a high of 93. Another warm day tomorrow with those afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms with a high of 90. Then that front that's going to give us those storms is going to move just south of the Wallops region as some good upper level energy moves across the area, giving us a high of 86 for Sunday with another good round of some showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. Won't be a total washout like I said before, but there is going to be some scattered storms about. Could be seeing some brief heavy rain under any thunderstorms. On Monday, that front is going to continue to sag south of the region. We could be seeing just a very isolated lingering shower early in the morning on Monday, but for the most part, Monday does look like it could be the driest day of the week as that front looks to be looks to move far enough south where it will keep us dry and perhaps even a little bit cooler with highs only in the lower 80s. Then on Tuesday, that front's going to move back north as a warm front, giving us a renewed chance of showers and thunderstorms, also helping to bump up the humidity and warmth again across the region. And then on Wednesday, we're going to be seeing the main front associated with that system from Tuesday move across the region, giving us another chance of some showers and thunderstorms. And then on Thursday, we're going to be seeing it's going to depend on exactly how far south again that front from Wednesday moves. Could be seeing another chance of some scattered showers, but a lot of the mid to late week weather next week is going to depend on exactly what that front does from the midweek time frame, if it moves south enough to keep us in the clear or stays near the Delmarva to continue to give us daily chances for showers and possible storms. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great weekend.